Elon Musk has become the first person in history to lose $200 billion. In November 2021, Elon Musk's net worth reached its peak at $340 billion. He then held the title of the world's richest person for a period of time that lasted for more than a year. The French business tycoon and co-founder of the dominant LVMH, Bernard Arnault, passed him last month in net worth. So Elon Musk is no longer considered the richest man. So according to Bloomberg News, Elon Musk is the first person in history to have lost $200 billion of his net worth. According to Bloomberg Billionaire Index in January 2021, Musk reached the milestone of having more than $200 billion in personal fortune, trailing only Jeff Bezos of Amazon. The loss was following the recent decrease in Tesla shares. Musk's net worth plummeted to $137 billion. This includes the dramatic 11% drop in Tesla shares on December the 27th for its most popular models. Tesla is now giving American customers a $7,500 discount through the end of the year until December 31st. Its Shanghai parts production has apparently also been reduced. In late October 2022, Musk spent $44 billion to acquire the social media service Twitter, since he sold a big portion of his Tesla shares to help pay for the acquisition. The electric vehicle manufacturer is no longer his biggest asset. Elon Musk has repeatedly blasted the Federal Reserve on Twitter for hiking interest rates at the quickest rate in decades. According to Elon Musk, he wrote on Twitter that Tesla is executing better than ever. He wrote on Twitter December the 17th, he said, "We don't control the Federal Reserve. That is the real problem here." Bloomberg noted a recent podcast interview by the billionaire entrepreneur in which he was heard cautioning listeners about the risk of borrowing money during a tumultuous market period. In the All In podcast, which was broadcast in December, Musk is quoted as saying, "I would really advise people not to have margin debt in a volatile stock market. And from a cash standpoint, keep the powder dry. You can get some pretty extreme things happening in a down market." This is what Elon Musk cautioned people who invest in the stock market to be leery of the downward trends. At present, Elon Musk's stakes in his space exploration technology core company is at $44.8 billion. It slightly surpassed the amount of money he spent for the acquisition of Twitter. So Elon Musk last month was the richest man. This year he is not, because he lost so much money on Tesla. And he lost to, again, Bernard Arnault, who is a French fashion and cosmetic billionaire. Elon Musk's takeover of Twitter has not been smooth, as well as many companies stopped advertising on the social media platform. Musk has said that Twitter has a massive drop in revenue due to a drop in advertisers. A few weeks ago, Elon Musk hinted on changing ownership of Twitter after a poll conducted by himself on the platform. He was just curious to know if people wanted a different person to head up the company, Twitter. And he got his answer when almost 58% of voters wanted him to go. They wanted him to step down from the company. So that definitely was a no confident vote. However, Elon Musk have dismissed concerns about Tesla and has continually criticized the Federal Reserve for raising interest rates. Tesla is executing better than before, he said. We don't control the Federal Reserve. That is the real problem here, he tweeted on December the 16th. A lot of people are saying it is not the Federal Reserve that's the main problem here. It is Elon Musk himself. Just to wrap up some points, Elon Musk has lost $200 billion according to Bloomberg News. He has become the first person in history to lose the whopping amount of over 200 billion. Tesla shares declined after Musk acquired Twitter in the amount of $44 billion. This is according to Bloomberg News. Twitter's future is set to be in jeopardy ever since Elon Musk took over the company. He fired the top executives, including the CEO, as well as the chief financial officer. He also fired almost 50% of his workforce. According to Bloomberg News, Elon Musk is ready to step down as the CEO of both his companies, Tesla as well as Twitter. He has reportedly found a new CEO for Tesla, but is still looking for a CEO for Twitter. Musk is currently the interim CEO of the company, but plans to leave as soon as he finds someone foolish enough to fill his space. I will resign as CEO as soon as I find someone foolish enough to take the job, he says. After that, I will just run the software and server teams. Musk has previously said that he does not want to be CEO of any of his companies. After he ran a poll on Twitter and he wanted to know if he should step down, and when he got his answer, more than 58% wanted him to step down. So as expected, the pollers suggested that he should resign. In a separate tweet, Musk also said that he will step down as the Twitter CEO only if he finds someone foolish enough to take the role. And I'm sure there's a billionaire out there somewhere that will take him on, that is willing to pick up the baton, because people are looking to invest their money. When you have that much money at your disposal, over $100 billion, $2 billion, $50 billion, and it's just sitting there, you want it to grow. So you're willing to take on the challenge of a big company like Twitter. So I'm sure he's going to find a buyer. YouTubers, I'm over and out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel and to this video. Turn on the notification bell so when I drop the next video, you will get the first notification. Thank you for watching.